actually works. Like, okay, so this is like live. I'm actually doing this while I'm talking about it. And let's see if this works. I'm gonna move this aside because you never know. Okay, so this is like live. I'm actually doing this while I'm talking about it. Okay, I'm just gonna mute it. Okay, it actually. Oh, I still hear myself. Okay, I need to stop myself somewhere. Okay, cool. So it actually does work. Wow, that's like so cool. Still loading? Wow, Codecademy. I made an infinite loop, still looping. I'm just gonna shut it down because it's like really bad. All right, yeah, it does work. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, in case you, I think you can hear me though, but in case you can't hear me, I'm just typing this, and I'm gonna put the link here. This is my. I'm gonna make it long, big. So this is my Twitch TV. It's actually I can make it full screen. So this is Twitch, and this is live coding .tv. Actually, they're both .tvs. Okay, so live coding. I mean, you're obviously on this channel already. If you're watching from live coding, but here you go. So awesome. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this just because it's so great. Thank you for your help and suggesting to use two. Oh, oh, I can't chat now. Oh yeah, okay. Nice. How do you even pronounce your name? Like Label? Huh. Anyway, great. So it does work, and I am actually really happy about that. But now I have to open two chat windows so I can see what's going on, and uh, so I can see people chatting. Okay, I'm going to okay, I'm going to just post this. I'm going to post this on Twitch TV and just say oh thanks and how do you even spell your last name? Wait, it's not. No. To stream on both and live coding TV. Links. Okay. Okay, so let's try this. Live coding. Okay, cool. All right, so this is on Twitter as well. Okay, so I guess I should continue now. This is so strange. I don't have enough. I should be fine. I have enough bandwidth. Okay, great. So Where was I? What was I doing? Oh yes, I was doing the code school, I think. No, I did code school this morning. Um, Code Academy. I don't know. It seems like it's kind of like strange. Maybe they're upgrading or something. Okay. Let me just try again. I'm going to close the other stuff because it might be too much. Okay, let's continue this. No, it actually works on both. So I posted it on Twitter, and I think we're good. So let's continue this, and let's see what happens. Hmm. Okay. So when I was doing this just now, there was a problem with the loop because it's yeah, because it was just going on and on and on. Uh, so if I change to run force, it should work. And then count. Uh, oh, okay. So if I change this to run and then I put uh, if I do an if statement, and then wouldn't it be like confusing? I don't know. What is this function? We've set up a function loop for you. So what? That'd be crazy. If I put loop here, it would just like be crazy. So var loop equals function. No, I think it's run. We set up a function loop for you while hmm. Anyone want to okay, cool. Yeah, Nick. I know you from FCC. Okay. You want to give me some suggestions here? I'm going to move your screen here so that I can actually see what you're saying because it was out of reach and I had to like turn my head all the way to the other side of. Okay, so sometimes the instructions are not perfect, right? And it's so confusing. So, any suggestions? Um, so I guess we'll do this. Actually, no. Let's do count. Count equals to this, and actually no. I should be this, and then if I is less than or equal to count, then I plus plus. Then here we do this console log, and then we run equals false. So while I don't know, it's kind of like messed up. Hopefully it doesn't like. Yeah, I know. My loop is not happy. Something is wrong. I don't understand the instructions. Like, write a while loop that logs that console 3 times. Yeah, okay. But how do you pass the value? Oh, it shouldn't start at 0. Okay, so it should start at count. Okay. It doesn't run. So I guess previously it says that if I'll just put a screen here. No, it's too big. Okay. I guess Windows 10 would be good at this. So, I is less than or equal to 10. Count 10. But it says 3 times. Oh, so just give it a number. Okay, I guess that makes sense. I guess. So we start at 0. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. I guess it should be 2. Make it less than. Nope. Okay. Is there a way to put chat window in this? Oh, I can do that too. Okay. I'll just put the chat window here so people can see what you're saying. And I can see it also. Okay, so so this has to be a if statement. No, while loops needs the true and false, right? Count equals to run. Something is wrong here. While loops are so strange sometimes. Oh, okay, good. Nick, what is going on? Because I'm so confused. Like, usually I just do the for loops. While loops are like, okay. If you want, we could actually get on Skype. It might actually be faster for you. Or you can like, if you like typing, it's fine too. Okay, so, let's see. Understand equals true while understand. Why do they have this for loop here? Okay, let's reset the code. So they gave us a variable loop, and the loop is a function. And so something has to equal to true here, and something has to equal to false here. This is my understanding. Okay, count equal to 0. Yep. And oh, how about if I do count is less than 3, which is actually what I did before. Run, I think. I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to yeah, okay, so now I have to put in this console log. All right, I think this should work. Okay. No, it doesn't work. Unexpected token. I guess it's confused with the run equals false. I guess we don't need that, do we? Oh no, it's looping again. Ah, I could stop this. Ah, okay. Oops. Okay, I gotta open up again. I'm just going to duplicate this. No. Yeah, it's in a loop. Ah, man. Okay, just a moment. It's caught in a loop. Kill. Alright, let's move this out. Okay, I'm going to do it again, and it should work this time. Just gotta wait for it to load. Because I always thought that it has to be, okay, so I'm going to remove this. And hopefully it doesn't do anything bad. I'm also going to open the console, just in case. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, so variable I, which is what I did. So count and count. Oh, yeah, you have to add that also. So we have to add count plus plus. Right. Do we add it here or outside? I think it's inside. I think it's outside, actually. Yeah, it should be outside. Yeah, outside. Oh, inside. Okay. Okay, let's try this then. Minimize. Submit code. Yeah, awesome. 200 exercises. Okay, cool. So, okay, awesome. So, okay, it's still streaming here, and everything looks right. Okay, cool. Let's continue. Next lesson. I'll just close the console. Okay, it should make sense now. Remember to make outside function. Try another one. Inside the loop, write a while statement. So let's see. While takes the initial condition that's true. Yeah, okay. So we'll put a condition. You need a tester in the while statement and an updater inside the while statement. Okay. So I'll just do run equals true. This is far. Is it it's a value, right? That means a variable. So while run, which is a boolean, then do this. And then here is cool. Okay. It looks right to me. Right. Does it look right to you? Okay. So let's try this. Okay. This is not good. I think it's doing the infinite loop again. I did. I set my condition to false. What did I do wrong this time? It's crashing again. You set it outside the loop. Oh, silly me. What? No. No. I know what it's asking me to delete. Okay. I need to start again. Okay, I need to remember to keep it inside. I think that's it. Okay. So let's see. For run. I'm gonna get better and better at this. Just hang in there. So run equals to false, and then so wow. So wow. Run. Okay. Okay. Check my run. Oh yes. So good catch. Okay. I think I'm ready. You need to check outside run loop. Okay. I think that's it, right? Well, this is true. It loops once and then it becomes false. Okay. Yes. While loops are so different. Okay, cool. Okay, so great work so far. Yep, submit code, continue. Okay. When to use the while, when to use the for. As mentioned. Yeah, I think I tried doing that just now. Write two loops in the editor, one for for, one for wow. Wow, okay. There's a little lag. I think there's a little delay. So I'm looking at the chat and I see anyway, so okay, let me just do this and we'll see. And why is it doing one space? Okay, so I wonder if there's a way to protect. Oh yeah, there's something called course checkout. I think that's what you should be looking for. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I think I've actually read this before somewhere. That you don't know how many times it's going to run, so it becomes yeah, okay. Let me just get on with this. No restrictions on one. This makes your loop synthetically correct, but beware of. Okay, so so I'm going to just say for run equals to true. I think with this kind of stuff, you just have to keep practicing, right? Um, uh, I was going to say, okay, so run equals true for, well, I guess, does this work also for 4? It actually might. I'm not sure. Ooh, Jenny. No, for you need the 3 parts, I believe. Okay, so for, okay, well, like this. But, so I guess count equals 0, for equals less than count, and count. Um, like that. Okay, so for I is check my loop. Which loop? There's 2 loops here. Okay. Okay, var count. Okay. So okay, so count plus plus is to. Oh, okay, it doesn't make sense then. Okay, yeah, okay. So we'll just say 10, and then we can, and then we don't need this because it's going to plus plus. It's going to increment that. We don't need to increment that. Okay, yeah, thanks. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, all right. Running for loop. We should give it a number at the back, but it's okay. All right, thanks again. Let's move on. Var loop conditions equals false. Sometimes you need to make at least one time. So the do loop. Okay, I know the do while loop. Okay. All right, let's. Okay, I'm just going to thank you for your help. And it should update, I guess. Doesn't update. It should update. Anyway, I'll look into that later. For loop. Do. Sometimes we make it at least once. Do loop. Okay, next. Console, I'm going to stop this when condition is false. So loop condition. Okay. Get to the chopper. Your turn. See how many times. Make sure that it doesn't loop forever. Huh. I have a bad feeling about this. It's going to loop again, like forever. Okay, today is Wednesday. Okay, write your okay, do. I actually forgot the syntax. This is so bad. I guess I don't do it as much. And then we do okay, so basically the format is like that, right? Okay, and then do while. Actually, while is this just like that. And then the conditions is here, and then this is the loop. I'm just putting it here so that I remember. Okay, so loop is here, and then this loop is supposed to be, and then it can have a console log here. Statement. Doop, 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 doop. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to just say running to the chopper. So I guess there's no loop here. Is there a loop there? No, I don't think there's a loop here. So basically, while this thing is going on, while the condition is not met, while condition is false or true, right? While it's true, oops, while condition is true, so we need to tell it the condition. So we need to have a var condition. Equals true. And obviously we're not going to use condition, so while running is true, so we're running. So while running, I should not put it inside, else it will not work. Okay, while I am running, it will say I'm running to the chopper, right? I think that's it. Okay, is there anyone else around? Where's Jenny? Where's everyone? Okay, well I guess no one is chatting right now. I'll just try this and we'll see what happens. Submit code. Is it? Oh no, oh no. It's looping again. What did I do wrong this time? Well, running is true. Oh, running should be false. Yeah, okay. Okay, kill and start again. Okay, I think running should be false so that it will end. That is like a trick. Okay, so if this is false, oh, not. Okay, if this is false, it should be false. Okay, let's try this time. So while running is false, do this loop. Oh no 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 no. Basically, it is do this loop, and then it stops because running is false. Because I have got to the chopper. Okay, running to the chopper. All right. Just making sure that okay, so it's still going. I can just pause this here. Save some bandwidth. Okay. Awesome. Next. Write your own code below. Awesome. Finish up to prove your mastery. Write 3 synthetically correct loops. 1 for 4, 1 for beware of the infinite loops. Oh man. Okay. Now we are going to do variable walk. Let's walk. Let's fly actually. Let's fly. Fly equals to force. I keep typing that wrong. Okay. And then for okay. Okay, and then you have the while loop. Is this how it is also? And then you have the hey, welcome. And then we have the do loop. Do loop, and then we have the while. Fly. Fly. So fly is false. So console log. Okay, thanks. Okay, so console log equals to IAM while running. So we need to give this a variable. 0 running equals to true. So okay, so I is equal to 0 and I is actually walking speed is like 10. I is equal to no, less than, sorry, oops, less than walking speed and I plus plus. Walking, running. Okay, welcome everyone. So we're doing 3 different types of loops here. The for, while, and do loop. I'm not going to put them together because it adds to the complexity, but I'm just doing this exercise that shows that I understand what I'm doing. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so for I less than walking speed, okay, then wow, running is true, and then running is false. I keep spelling that wrong for some strange reason. So running, I'm running, then running is false. Console log. Okay, do so. Well, fly. Okay. Anyone have any comments before I do a run? I'm just going to archive this so that I all right, let's see. I think that's right. Any comments? Okay. Try again. There's a problem with your syntax. Token force. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Oops. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Okay. Cool. All right. So I'm going to tweet this out to everyone, and all right. Thanks. And I really like this. So close. Cool. So Dragon Slayer is next. I'm going to take a few minute break. Um, and just do other things for now. I'll still be on. I'm not going to turn off the stream, but I'm going to just get some water, um, take a little break, let my mind take a break, and just spend some time chatting, I guess. Hi, live live coding TV support has joined the room again. Oh, welcome everyone. More on control flow JS. Control flow. So should I do the lesson, the Dragon Slayer lesson, or the control flow in JS? What do you guys think? Okay, so if you like what you're seeing, please click on tips or go to my Patreon page and become a patron. Cool. Oh yeah, you get a reward. That's awesome. I'll add a link here to Patreon very soon. Okay, so no one has actually said anything. I'm going to take a look at Dragon Slayer. Just because. Okay, start lesson. We'll get to control flow next. Let me just take a look at this. Um, okay, so let's go back to codecademy. Um, I know Ruby, PHP, Ruby on Rails, and Angular 1. I'm learning Angular 2 right now. Yeah. So let's see. So I'm actually learning Angular 2 on my own. It's been challenging. Because it's basically you have to unlearn a lot of things from Angular 1. So I recommend this. Parasite. If you have access to this, it's great that you can actually learn. I have a playlist for my Angular JS. So they are. Ooh, okay, it's loading. So Angular, there's Angular 2 Getting Started by Deborah, um, and then there's Angular JS Fundamentals. This is probably more or less about Angular 1 and building your site with Angular JS and PHP. And so 2 is actually really great, but there's actually another one I really like. I'm not sure if it's this one because it shouldn't be. It should not be base beginner. Okay, I did this already, so it's all completed. Um, no, let me look for Angular. So you see, when you type Angular, it has all these different things you can look at specifically on the directive, and Fire is actually really cool as well. Firebase, yeah. Um, Angular 2, building apps with. I think it's this one. No, not this one. It's another one. Oh man. Okay, hang on. This is caused by John Papa. Um, nope. Hmm. No. Yeah. So John Papa, he created this really nice guide. Oh, first looks, I guess. Yeah. So I'm actually halfway through this course, and he has this really cool. I'm not sure if you're into Angular or not, but he has this really cool uh, app that I'm trying to build as well. It's like a Star Wars type game. Um, I don't remember where he introduced it, but yeah, there should be a place where it has all the notes. Okay, let me pause that. It's kind of loud. Anyway, I'll maybe talk about that next time. But basically, I think this is one of the best places to learn Angular. Um, I have done 8% of Codecademy's Angular program, but I mean I've learned it from other places as well. So yeah, I guess if you're interested, this is something I started a while back. Um, Campsite on Heroku. Um, Jenny, I'm not sure if you're on Free Code Camp. It seems like maybe you are. Um, but here I created a camp directory for people's challenges, and so whoever the um, wrote this, basically you click on um, random code generator by Warehouse Gnome. It'll bring you to a code pen by Eric, and you can see his code pen. So this is his random code generator. Yeah, so it's really cool. I mean, so that was campsites directory was created using Ruby on Rails, and yeah, you can add. I think maybe I broke it. Huh. Okay, I gotta fix that. But basically, you're supposed to be able to add, delete, remove, um, and the whole like uh, it should have the full functions. Okay, I'll just close that because strange. Anyway, I think I've taken a short break. Let me get back to coding. Unless you have other questions, just ask, and I will see what questions you have and try to answer it. hmm So let's just walk through this code, I guess. So slaying is true. The variable hit is math random times 2. Damage per damage this round is calculations times 5 plus 1. Okay. Total damage is currently 0. So these are global variables. And for slaying, if you hit, so if this, then console log would tell you damage this round is this much. Okay. Um, okay. And if damage is more than 4, you will see a message that says you did it. You slew the dragon, and slaying will be false. Right? So it will stop. If it is not false, it's true, it will keep uh, wait. So okay, if total damage is not more than or equal to 4, then you hit would be this calculation. So this is actually the same thing as this. So I guess you hit the dragon again, and so this is one. So this is inside the if loop. So if not this, then it will continue, and it will say the dragon beneath your toast, and slaying is false because it would also stop the loop. Okay, hopefully that makes sense, and I can keep that in my head as I proceed. Check this out in the editor. Run it a few times, see how you fare against the dragon. So you hit the dragon and did 5 damage, and then you did it. You slew the dragon and it force. So force is here. You did it, slew the dragon, and this part is you hit the dragon and did 5 damage. So there's one statement here, 2 statements, and 3 statements. Now let's try to do this together. Alright, let's start declaring the variables you need. A variable to check we're still slaying. So variable slay equals to true, right? And then feel free to help me along if you remember what's going on. So check if we hit the dragon. So hit. So I guess they use you hit, right? So we'll just use you hit. Make it a variable equals to some math thing, right? Just do math. All right. So and a variable. The next one says a variable to keep track of how much damage. Damage equals. And here's also some math. Okay, and a variable to keep track. Okay, so variable total damage. I guess that's also some math. Okay. Okay, so slaying equal to true. Oh wow, instructions. You hit equals to this. Great. Okay. This sets you hit to a random number that's either 0, which leads JavaScript to read as false, or 1, which JavaScript will read as true. Okay. Damage this round is okay. Let me change the variable. Yeah, I'm not really. I should open up another window to see the chat. Okay. Okay. Well. Okay. There's no one really on that right now. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. My mic is working. Okay. So math. Mm, okay. So I'm on the third one. Damage this round is going to so they gave me the math for this one, which is great. Like, I'm really grateful for that. I'm just going to put some spacing here. Oh, wait, this is damage this round, not hmm. Okay. And then total damage, I guess, is equal to 0, which I said math, but you know, yeah. Okay. Um, let's move on. Get stuck. Find out more details. Nope, I think I'm good. So I'm just going to close this thing out and make a copy of that and move on. Something is wrong. What's wrong? Make sure you capitalize math in I did. They're looking at my comments. Don't read my comments. These are my comments. Okay. Yeah. Private comments. Okay, cool. Okay. Moving on. While slaying is true. Okay, so you could actually write that, but like it says here, you can actually do this. But you can also do this, because slaying is currently true, right? The variable slaying is true, so you don't really need to have that. Okay, make sure that your variable names make code more regular. While slaying, do this. Okay. Okay. Create a while loop for this. Set slaying to false. Okay, so I'm going to set slaying to false, so that it doesn't make it into an infinite loop. Okay, false. Awesome. Seems like we're going. It's going pretty well, I guess. Okay, I have 2 people on my Twitch TV. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe or follow. It's free to follow. And you can also follow me on livecoding.tv. Please click the follow button if you like to see what we're doing and follow us. Please follow us. Okay, so next is the first if statement. If else. Inside your while loop, create an if else statement. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. Hi, sleepy guy. Thanks for joining the room. Please follow if you like to see what we're doing and to get new videos and updates. So if, and then I'm going to do this. If if so, it's going to check my uHit statement, my uHit variable if hit equals to 1, then do this, else something else. Not sure, I guess like that. It should log a congratulation. Okay, so if this is this, then we'll do this. Alright, if false, okay, do this. Oh, okay. Alright. So either way, slaying should be false. Slaying should be false. Huh. If you hit is 1, else this. I think that's good enough. Unless I'm missing something. If I'm missing something, let me know, but I think this will work, right? Okay, let's hit submit. Yes. Congratulations, you slew the dragon. So, okay, cool. Next. Alright. Second if statement. Good work. We're almost there. First branch. Set total damage equal to this. Okay. Where did we put this? Under here, I guess. We're telling the JavaScript to add total damage and damage this round together. This assigns the new value for total damage. Okay. Okay. So go ahead, take this inside your your first if statement, create a second if statement. Huh. How does that work actually? Another if statement? Inside your if statement, create a second statement. Oh, okay. So maybe underneath here. Okay, underneath we write another if statement. If, and then we do another loop here. Okay, so if total damage is greater than or equal to 4, it should log to the console. Okay, cool. All right. Total damage. is greater than or equal to 4. And if it is, it should log to the console that. Okay, and then also that displaying is false. Okay, console log. If it is more than 4, then congratulations, you have uh, um, there's something wrong with that thing. Okay, congratulations, you. The dragon is dead. Okay. Yeah, okay. Go home now. Okay. So since the dragon is dead, slaying is over. So if total damage is not greater than 4, you should assign a new random number. I guess you have to add another else if statement here. Okay. Okay, so why does it do that? Total damage. Total damage. No, no. You already calculate total damage, so you got you hit, right? Yeah, you hit should be assigned a new random. So you hit. Let me just copy this whole thing. Makes more sense. No, without the variable, because it's really assigned or defined here. So okay, cool. Total isn't damaged. So this would be equal to 1 or 0. Okay, cool. I think that's it. All right. Let's submit the code. Okay, good. Congratulations, you slew the dragon. Okay. But it doesn't actually show the other things. So let's try that again. How do you refresh this page? And I'm going to go back to number 5 again. And it's still doing the same thing. I guess it doesn't get to this part because we're missing something. Uh, no, wait. There should be like 3 statements, right? Uh, yeah, I remember in the beginning there were 3 statements. So there should be like this, or this. And also, I don't know why we have this here. Oh, okay. So this is a if statement for here and then else. Okay. Feel free to customize. Okay, so if this is more than 10, okay, cool. All right, so I've done this other exercise, and I'm going to all right, tweet this as well. I should really like just look at my Twitter right now. Let's go to close this. Let's go to Twitch TV, and let's go down to make it live. Down to Twitter, open it up in a new tab, and take a look. So click. Okay, so this is a bit behind. Let's pause. Okay, I've unlocked my Dragon Slayer badge. Cool. I thought I posted something here before. I guess it didn't get posted. Strange. Oh, okay. Yeah. Huh. Anyway. All right. Cool. Cool. So, we have someone else joining us. Cool. Okay. Close. I think I tweeted that already. Congratulations, you've finished this course. More about control flow in JS. I'm going to need to get another drink, and we're going to take a look at this. Okay, variable is even function number. Your code here. We've learned about the if-else statements. Oh wow, this is challenging. Um, hmm. So first of all, I write down like the basic idea that I have here, on how the flow should look like. Um, do we need a else if statement? If, okay, so if the number it receives is evenly distributable, false. Return false. Else, okay, else, oh, okay, so this should return true. Okay. All right, we got a new guy in our room. Welcome. So we're working through this exercise on codecademy, and we're going to see how to use if, else if, and else statements. If number is modulus 2 equals to true. That's like how I write it. I don't know. I mean, function. Oh, wait. Is even. Hmm. Can you pass a number? How do we pass a number into this? Is even. Can you even pass a number? I think you can. So I'm going to put like 50, and we'll see how this works. Unexpected token is even equals to 50. Unexpected token. I don't know. Do we put it on top? Like, I mean, there are many ways to do this. I'm just trying to figure out what they want, right? I guess return is even. Something wrong with my syntax. Unexpected token. Which token is it referring to? Number. Is number, if number modulus 2 equal to 0, that's strange. Okay, I am going to take a look at, oh, someone is saying return, oh, ah, yeah, JavaScript isn't, okay, modulus, which page am I on? Okay, so we use this. Hmm. Illegal return statement. Hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, thank you, Shane, for helping. Yeah, I'm like really bad at JavaScript. Okay, so if else, if else. Okay, so if this is not a number, then it's true. 。 Okay, so you can call. Okay, unicorns are not numbers. Add an if-else branch to your existing if-else statement. Hmm. Okay, so if is not a number. Mm, okay, so if this is true, it would say um, number. Hmm, how exactly does that work? Okay. Okay, so this is not a number. why does it count to 1,000? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, let me read the instructions again. Instead of use return false, the function should return a string that tells the user that it is not the string is. If it is a number, return true. Huh. The function returns true for 3. Well, can someone help me out here? It's kind of strange. Guess we don't really need this much stuff. See, it's false. Oh, so maybe put quotes on. Hmm, that's strange. It says it would convert it. Which is not a number. So how do we make it a number? Hmm. It's kind of strange. I guess. Okay. Wow. Okay. Great. Okay, so we'll just all right. Let's do an while loop. Um, thinking is true. And, okay, so while thinking, I console log. Mm-hmm. Is that it? Uh-oh. Did I do another loop? Yeah, I got to stop doing that. Okay, this should work this time. Okay. Switch statements. All right, so lunch. What do you want for lunch? Type your lunch choice here. Sandwich. Okay. So they have cases. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Type your lunch. Pizza. Oh, okay. Not sure what pizza is. Cool. Okay, so let's work on some switch statements. Type your favorite color here. Okay. So what is your favorite color? Switch statements. Let's add a case black. Okay, so different from default string. I think it's primary color. Okay, black. Oh, did he say yellow? Oh man. Okay, so let's add yellow. Actually, yeah, I should yellow. Hmm, yellow. Okay, okay. I think that's it. Yellow. Yellow. Okay, cool. Yep. Sometimes you have to guess what they mean. Favorite candy. Type favorite candy here. Add your code. Add default. Oh, okay. Default. Oh, default. 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 Candy. I have no. Okay, let's try that. Rock. Oh, I have no idea what is a rock. Hmm. Yeah, that's my phone. We just ignore it for now. I have no idea what is a rock. Okay, moving on. Okay, so add your question here. Case console. You know what they say, practice makes perfect. Please get case default. Okay, so add your question here. What is a good question? Um, any suggestions? Anyone around? Any questions, suggestions? Okay, so let's think of interesting questions. Mm, okay. uh, what is wow? Okay. Mm, can't think of anything else. Okay, it's a prompt. Okay, so we have a comment. It's a prompt. Whatever you write will run an output. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just asking for questions like, do you have any ideas or any question that we should ask, and we can put it into the switch. So there's just some interaction, you know. So it's not just me sitting here doing this, but if you have questions, we can put it in. So I just wrote, oh, what is your blood type? And then we can have like, oh, and then we can have blood type. So I guess we have different types of blood. Hmm. Then we have the A, and then we have B, then we have the AB. And then we have default. Default should be O actually. Yeah, default is O. And then we have console log. Okay. Okay. We'll just do this. Type A, type B, type B. Okay. Okay. All on your own. Time to put your own string statements. So switch. Is there any other good questions out there we can use for our switch statements? Okay, so we should also do a prompt, right? So the question equals to prompt. And switch question. And then we can have this. Default. Break. So we have case. Okay, so let's start with the question. Who do you usually go to for advice? Okay, so we have the mother because women comes first. Mother. And we have this. Other. Well, we just make it singular. Default. Okay, so mothers know best. Fathers are knows a lot. Friend no friends have friends are good to have. Other so mysterious. Good to know. Okay. I think that's all. It's interesting. Okay. All right. Nope. Prompt. Did I miss something? Uh, isn't you mean the space is the problem? What? No. Okay. What happened? Unexpected identifier. Prompt. Ah, I think I need to put this in. Yeah. Silly me. Okay. Now it should work. Okay, friends. Good to know. I guess it should not be capitalized. Okay. Okay. I love JavaScript. I love learning. First, we look at how to control, then we use the operators. Not okay. Makes sense. True, true. Else. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to take a break and eat something. I will be back. Oh, we got someone talking to us. Okay. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. I'll be right back.